good afternoon, everyone. A very warm welcome to the 6th Global Real Estate Brand Awards. The excitement is palpable, and I see the pride of accomplishment shining in many eyes. It is my pleasure to welcome our distinguished guests, eminent members of the architecture, construction, interior design, and real estate sectors. We are truly delighted to have you all here today for the prestigious, Global Real Estate Brand Awards 2024. Let's start this beautiful and special day with a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, 9 years ago, we embarked on a remarkable tradition of recognizing and celebrating the achievements of the real estate community. We took this pioneering initiative to create a platform that unites all members of this vibrant industry. Additionally, this year marks the 8th edition of the ARC Review Conclave. Ours is very merry endeavor to honor you all for this work and achievements. We are here to honor young achievers and business bigwigs alike who transform the business practices by their vision and judgment. With that, we're all good to start. Let's start this beautiful day by lighting the lamp by seeking May Lord's blessing. To do the honor, may I request Architect Dinesh Verma, Principal Architect ACE Group, Mr. Manoj Lodha, Vice Chairman NADRACO, please come sir, and Mr. Akash Jain, Director Care Edge Ratings. Without further ado, let's begin. Let's begin with the keynote address. I would now like to request Mr. Akash Jain, Director Care Edge Ratings, for the keynote address.
So good afternoon, one and all. We are 31 years old, India's largest domestically grown rating agency. Apart from doing, the bank loan ratings, ratings for bonds, etc., we also have ventured into the international space. We are already in international space at Mauritius, at Africa, and at Nepal. But as a, aspiration to grow and move beyond the ratings for the instrument, etc., we have moved into the sovereign rating space. I hope you would have read about us. In the last 1 year, we have worked very, very hard and going to start our operations at GIFT City. And from there, we'll be doing the rating for the countries. Then what we are doing today, the rating for the corporates. So it's a big move. You will see us in next few weeks, few months from now. Our license will come and we'll start coming out with the ratings for the countries.
With that, we're all good to start the panel discussion. The topic is very interesting and insightful. The title is Navigating the Changing Landscape of Real Estate Financing in India, Addressing Challenges and Seizing Opportunities. We want to unveil the trophy because this year we've got a new trophy which is different, nicer and better. It was always better, but this time we wanted to get even more better one. Welcome you all to Global Real Estate Brand Awards ceremony. And before we start, a big round of applause for Global Real Estate Brand Awards 2024 once again. Property awards under this category, Property Award of the Year, Ultra Luxury Project goes to, put your hands together, let's say congratulations to BNB Infrastructure Limited. Everyone, BNB Opulent Sphere, we have Mr. S.K. Bhaskar Raju, Managing Director, and Mr. Aditya Bhaskar Raju, the Director. Property Award of the Year, Mid-Range Award goes to Gopalan Enterprises, Gopalan Olympia. Many, many congratulations. Once again, many congratulations to Gopalan Enterprises, Dr. C. Prabhakar. Property Award of the Year, Affordable Apartments, and the award goes to, congratulations to Global Edifice Celesta. We have Global Edifice Builders, Mr. Praveen and Pawan. The next one, Property Award of the Year, Commercial. In this category, I would like to say congratulations and welcome on stage Brigade Enterprises, Brigade Padmini Tech Valley, Mr. Pradeep Kumar Rao and Mr. Kumar Swami. Property Award of the Year, Green Homes. Let's say congratulations to Mana Projects Private Limited, Mana Dale, Mr. Sudhir, Head Marketing, and Mr. Vijay. Many congratulations to Mana Projects Private Limited. Your plotted development, I would like to say congratulations to Sirimale Infra Developers, Magical Springs. Property Award of the Year, Plotted Development, Non-Metro. I would like to say many congratulations to Yash Developers, Yash Samruddhi Mysore, requesting Mrs. Neeta Lodha to come on stage. Mrs. Neeta Lodha, Director of Yash Developers. Welcome you, ma'am. Congratulations. Property Award of the Year, Integrated Township. I would like to say congratulations to the Right Life. Mr. Venkatesan, the CFO, is requested to come on stage. His most admired luxury project of the year, and the award goes to Elegant Terraces. Congratulations to Elegant Builders and Developers, Mr. S. Rajesh, the Managing Director. A huge round of applause. Let's welcome Mr. Rajesh, the Managing Director of Elegant Builders and Developers, and the team. Most admiring upcoming project, mid-range, and this award goes to, for the project, Disha Pursuit of the Elements. Congratulations to Disha Habitat Projects LLP. Put your hands together. Let's welcome Mr. Gunaranjan to stage. Many congratulations to you. Most admired plotted development of the year, and that goes to Pride Vatika Phase 2. Congratulations to Pride Group, Mr. Gurmeet Singh and Mr. Satyajit Bera. Put your hands together. Let's welcome the Pride Group to the stage. Everyone, a fabulous round of applause. Audience. Most innovative project of the year, and I would like to take this opportunity to say congratulations to IKEA Village, Sarjapur. Many congratulations to Mr. Wagmi, Head Marketing and PR. Please come to the stage, sir. The most admired farmland project of the year, I would like to say congratulations to Velisha Ventures Private Limited for Swasya Living, Mr. Nijish. Come on stage, sir. Put your hands together. Let's welcome Mr. Nijish from Velisha Ventures Private Limited. Iconic Property Award Mid-Range. Once again, I would like to say congratulations to Disha Habitat Projects, Disha Pursuit of Sunshine. Congratulations once again to Mr. Gunaranjan. Iconic Affordable Project of the Year. Congratulations to Global Edifice Infra, Mr. Venkat, Mr. Salman and Mr. Santosh. Please come to the stage, sir. And the project they're winning the award is for Global Edifice Crescent. Put your hands together, everyone. As Real Estate Consultant of the Year, congratulations to Xanadu Realty Limited, Mr. Vikas Chaturvedi, CEO, and Mr. Santosh Kumar, Regional CEO. Put your hands together. Let's welcome them on stage. Real Estate Consultant of the Year Award. Luxury Developer of the Year goes to Bhutani Infra. Congratulations, everyone. Bhutani Infra. Many congratulations to you. And the next one is Developer Award. Plotted Development goes to Address Maker. Many congratulations to Address Maker. We put your hands together, everyone. We have Mr. Pavan Sahane, CEO, and Mr. Santosh Soni, the director of the company. A very, very warm welcome and congratulations. Emerging Developers of the Year, put your hands together. Let's say congratulations to M1 Homes. Everyone, for Mr. Prasad, the founder and CEO, and Mr. Srinivas Rao, the director. Next award is Best Lifestyle Developer of the Year, and I would like to say congratulations to MJR Builders Private Limited, Mr. Pradeep CBO and Mrs. Rashmi Shetty. Please come on stage, and we have Director Dr. Videep. Dr. Videep, please join us on stage. A round of applause to the Dr. Videep, the Director of MJR Builders. Most Promising Developer of the Year, and this award goes to Splendid Properties. Congratulations to Mr. Ram Mohan Ora, Managing Director. Most Enterprising CEO of the Year, Ashwinder R. Singh, CEO, Bhartiya Urban. A round of applause to him.
I want to thank Global Real Estate Brand Awards for felicitating me with the Most Enterprising CEO 2024 of the year. Thank you so much for this honor. It is indeed a privilege to receive this award. I received this award on behalf of the entire fraternity, my team, and everyone who makes me look good and helps me contribute to the real estate fraternity. Thank you once again, and I wish the organizers all the very best, and keep on doing this good work. Thank you so much.
On behalf of Mr. Ashwinder, may I request Ms. Vinita to come on stage to receive the award. The Young Achiever of the Year, Mr. Noveen Reddy, Director, Modern Spaces. It's time to celebrate one of the youngest achiever of the real estate industry, which is seen in long time. That's Mr. Noveen Reddy. Professional of the Year. Hands together. Let's welcome Senior Vice President, Phoenix Mills Limited, Miss Sunena Kohli to the stage. She is heading Sales, Marketing and CRM at Phoenix Mills Limited, one of the India's leading retail-led mixed-use developers. With over 22 years of experience, she has excelled in driving sales, revenue and growth strategies. Women Achiever of the Year goes to Ms. Nidhi Jayashankar, Executive Director, Adarsh Developers. Put your hands together. Let's say congratulations to Nidhi Jayashankar. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the culmination of the 6th Global Real Estate Brand Awards. A round of applause for all the incredible achievers and winners in the room. One more time for all the awardees, put your hands together. Your dedication inspires all of us. It's been a truly fantastic day, and your enthusiasm has fueled our entire team. Thank you for making this such a privilege to host. Our deepest gratitude to the esteemed committee members. We extend our heartfelt thanks to the entire Brimbus team and our dedicated volunteers. Thank you, Brimbus and the volunteers. Your tireless hard work, patience and commitment were instrumental in creating this unforgettable day. On behalf of the real estate community, I express my sincere thanks to all the distinguished guests who is present here, architects, construction professionals and real estate leaders present today. One more time for all of them.
Pride is basically from Pune based actually, and we received the award for the best plotted development of the year. It is on South Bangalore on Manargata Road. So we have a couple of new plans of Pride. We have the plans to launching many more projects all across the Bangalore in the coming year. And thank you so much for the opportunity which you have given to us.
Thank you, Greva, for the fantastic award for most admired plotted development project of the year to Pride Vatika Phase 2. And there are a couple of surprises. We are coming up with new project. I'm not gonna reveal it completely, but we are bringing the blissful living to Old Madras Road, heart of the city, in Bangalore. Gonna like it for sure. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you so much for the honor. It's basically an emerging farmland project that we're doing in Sakleshpur, which is coming up in 36 acres. It's a first time, specifically based community project where we are choosing, the specific community, like-minded people who are coming together.
About 25 acres, 25 years of coffee being grown in there. And it's mainly a sustainable project. We have close to 4 lakes that we have created over there. 5,500 area. Starts from 5,500 square feet and goes up to half acre. So these are the sizes that you can buy. It starts from 30 and goes up to 1 CR.
As in when we started this project, we've been hearing this from a lot of customers saying that the project is different, it's unique, it's innovative. We've heard this comments from the customers, all the synonyms of innovation. And this award is just an acknowledgement for all those beloved customers and home buyers at IKEA Village. It's an acknowledgement for them. Even before starting the building concept of the project, we cracked down the concept of how innovative we have to make the project, because the whole of Bangalore is completely saturated with buildings. So we wanted to do something beyond, building.
Thank you, Global Real Estate brand, for recognizing Disha Habitat. We've been recognized for 2 of our ongoing projects. One is Disha Pursuit of the Sunshine, and the other one is Disha Pursuit of the Elements. So we've been recognized as the most iconic project and the most admiring project in the mid-range. Thank you guys for spotting us. Yeah, it is a great feeling to be here. I look forward to delivering both the projects. All our customers are eager as well to handing over the properties.
Yeah, we are the emerging developers and the category. Okay, we have completed 1 million square feet of development. Shortly, we'll be launching 6 million square feet of the development. Thank you very much for giving this award to us.
Thank you once again. Congratulations and all the best. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
As you know, luxury is the new experience that everybody is looking for, and we at Magical Springs have a lot of that in plenty. And where normally people build a clubhouse, we are giving a resort type of lifestyle experience for people, where everything converges, your lifestyle as well as your day. Every day you can experience the magical experiences at our Magical Springs.
It's great to get this recognition, because when we started this project, we wanted to redefine luxury living in Bangalore as a whole. Currently, we're doing this project over 2 acres, ground plus 24 floors with just 82 units. We've redefined the luxury living by providing multiple services in the commercial area as well as the residential area. So look forward, and thank you, Greba, once again.
So first of all, thank you for the Global Real Estate Company for recognizing and giving these awards. And definitely it will be a very big feather for a bird as it flies high. These are the awards. It makes a company very fly high. And thank you for this opportunity for this Global Real Estate Awards. So when coming to the point of our company, Global Edifies Builders, so we are very much focusing on a middle class and lower middle class people, because nowadays everyone's middle class people dream is to make one house. So for the hard-earned money, what we are giving is a very best quality with a very latest technology. And thank you once again for Global Real Estate Brands for giving and recognizing our project. Thank you.
This will boost our energy for upcoming days to deliver better quality products in the market, and it's a huge drive which goes on as an individual or as a builder, and we cater all the segments of the society so that we can give a better quality products in the market. Thank you.
See, currently we have about 11 projects completed and ongoing, plus we have 5 commercial projects which have completed. So the idea is to bring in at least another 900 crores worth of inventory, which would be close to about 1,000 plus 2,000 units into the market. Right? That is our plan for this financial year. So we have quite a few land banks where we go into JVs. We are doing our own development, and like this, we would want to get more awards. Right? That's a focus, and with the I would say leadership of Mr. Madhusudan, right, who's our managing director, with his vision, with his spearheading the whole group, I'm sure we're going to achieve better work.
And we are going to plan in future, we are going to launch premium products, that is very premium products in the city, center of the city, with the 60 units only. And other 2 projects also we are going to launch. I hope we in future will receive like these awards many. Thank you very much.
The best part about it is it's been started by young entrepreneurs. And when there is young blood in any of these award functions, it develops into a big geometric progression. I wish all the participants all the best, and I'm sure by getting these awards, their hemoglobin has gone up much better and they'll be doing much better in their profession. Thank you.
An award is a recognition of outstanding service and a lot of passion, a lot of hard work. And I congratulate all the award winners here who got the prestigious Brimbus Awards. And also at the same time, I would also like to congratulate the organizers of Brimbus for the Global Real Estate Awards. It is very motivating and very encouraging for all the developers to up the game, up the ante that is required of our tech city, Bangalore. So congratulations to one and all and best wishes for the future.